In this video, we're going to be checking out the best first aid kits for camping that you can buy today. A first aid kit is an essential part of your camping gear, and you should make sure that you're not far away from one at any time. Whether you're going out for a short hike, trail running, or off on a multi-day camping trip in the middle of it could cut down on some supplies like cotton pads to make space for others like tweezers, bug ointment, etc. And it's bulky, so best for car camping. This is a fantastic first aid kit and contains most things you will need, but it is built to keep in the car, so it will be too big for backpacking and hiking, which is why it comes in at 5 on our list. In at number 4 is the Adventure Medical Kits, point 0.7 Ultra Light and Watertight First Aid Kit. Adventure Medical Kits has some of the most diverse and highest quality first aid kits available on the market today. The ultralight and watertight point 0.7 kit stands out as one of the best from their selection. The point 0.7 has many of the products available in larger kits, just with fewer quantities, but without sacrificing usefulness. If weight is not your top consideration, other options offer users the ability to respond to a wider range of emergencies. The Adventure Medical Kit's ultralight and watertight point 0.7 first aid kit is fantastically lightweight and compact. It comes with a great selection of high-quality components, and the medications are individually packaged and well labeled. But the case, while watertight, is not much more than a heavy-duty Ziploc bag, so it is easy to squash the contents. This kit has a nice balance of including what's needed for minor and common emergencies, but not much more. It is a great kit to grab for hiking and backpacking trails. The pros are, it's watertight and durable. It's compact and lightweight, so great for hiking and backpacking. And it has good quality supplies inside. However, the small size does mean that it's not as extensive as other kits on the market. And the packaging can be easily squashed, which could damage the contents. It's clear that there is a trade-off between useful components and the size and weight, but this is a fantastic lightweight and waterproof first aid kit. It's best used in addition to a more comprehensive kit, which is why it comes in at number 4. The third product on our list is the Surviveware Survival First Aid Kit. This compact first aid kit holds 100 high-quality first aid supplies to help care for minor wounds, cuts, scrapes, and burns. It also includes a removable CPR pouch and a first aid guide. The interior is well organized and labeled to make it easy to find what you need in the case of an emergency, so there's no more rummaging or making a mess to find the supplies you need. It's made from high-quality 600D polyester and is water and rip resistant. All internal pieces are protected from water in durable laminate pouches. This kit is rugged and robust and withstands any outdoor adventure. It has removable mall-compatible straps, snaps, and advanced mounting system, so you can easily detach it from its resting place in case of emergency. This first aid pack has been praised for its quality, durability, and comprehensive kit. The pros are: it's well organized and labeled. It has a robust bag. It has a detachable CPR pouch. It's compact and lightweight, and it's water resistant. However, that you don't have to search for these life-saving items. Surviveware packs a lot into this survival kit, including survival items like a knife, fire starter, and paracord. We were really impressed with the quality of the items included in this first aid kit. The pros are, it's really well organized and labeled. It has good quality items, especially the knife, shears, and tweezers. It's a great combination of essential first aid and survival supplies in one pack. It has a robust bag and zipper. The detachable CPR pouch with its pull-out emergency instructions is really well thought out, and there's additional space for you to customize the kit. However, the whole kit is bulky, but you can detach sections for hiking. This is a fantastic well-made first aid and survival kit for camping. The only issue is the size and weight, but it packs a lot into it. This first aid kit will not disappoint and deserves our #1 spot. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.